everyone. Hope you're doing okay. Um, I know it's uncharted waters for all of us, and we'll just have to take it by day. But I hope you're staying healthy and well. I truly miss each of you. Just a couple of things I want to go over. Um, I This is written in the course announcements, but I know some of you would like to hear it rather than read it also. Um, I'll have virtual office hours Monday through Thursday, and this is where you can email me or go to the course page to the open forum and post your questions there, and you should get immediate or a quick response from me unless I'm helping another student. Again, just remember that you can email me at any time, but if it's not during my virtual office hours, just expect a delay in me responding to you. This week, you'll see that you have assignments from chapters 9 and 10. So you need to read chapters 9 and you need to read chapter 10 and then submit the assignments. As you know, right before we left, before the college closed, you had a major project that was due, the hypothetical child PowerPoint. Well, that will be due the following week, next week, and I'll give you more details about that. So just know that you need to be working on that. You will submit it, and then probably there'll be a discussion board to go along with it also. Again, I hope you're doing well. Please stay safe. And I hope we get to see each other sooner rather than later. Thank you.